Welcome to our channel. If you need to download your Grubhub order history for expense tracking or personal records, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app on your smartphone or go to grubhub.com and log into your account using your email and password. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom navigation bar and select Orders or Order History. Step 3. Browse through your complete order history to find the specific orders you need receipts or information for. Step 4. Tap on any individual order to open the detailed view with items, pricing, delivery information, and receipt. Step 5. Look for the Email Receipt or Download Receipt option on the Order Details page and tap it. Step 6. Check your email inbox for the receipt email from Grubhub, which includes a PDF attachment with your complete order details. Step 7. For multiple receipts, you'll need to repeat this process for each order as Grubhub doesn't offer bulk receipt downloads. Step 8. Alternatively, take screenshots of your order history from the app for quick reference or record keeping. Step 9. Save all downloaded receipts in an organized folder on your computer or cloud storage for easy access during expense reporting or tax preparation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.